Hey beauty lovers, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who wants perfectly shaped brows that last all day, then you've probably heard about Revlon's ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil. Today we're taking a close look at this product to see if it really lives up to the hype. So let's dive in. The Revlon ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 205 Blonde is a precision tool designed to give you flawless brows with ease. With its automatic, no sharpening formula and dual-ended spoolie brush, it promises to help you achieve natural, defined arches that last up to 24 hours. But does it really deliver on all these promises? Let's see. Starting with the features, this eyebrow pencil is all about precision. The angled tip helps you mimic the look of real brow hairs with each stroke, making it ideal for creating those fine, hair-like details that define and fill in your brows. The pencil glides on smoothly and provides a soft, blendable color that doesn't feel harsh. It's a perfect fit for anyone who's not a brow expert but still wants professional-looking results. Plus, the formula is waterproof, so you can count on it staying in place even through sweat or rain. I tested it on a busy day, and it stayed perfectly intact without smudging. What I really appreciate is how easy it is to incorporate this pencil into my beauty routine. The automatic pencil design means there's no need for sharpening, just twist to reveal more product. On the other end, there's a soft spoolie brush that you can use to blend and groom your brows after applying the pencil. This dual-ended design makes it super convenient for quick fixes on the go. It's like having everything you need for perfect brows all in one tool. Now let's talk about performance. The product definitely lives up to its 24-hour wear claim. I applied it in the morning, went about my day, and my brows still looked flawless by the evening. No touch-ups needed. Whether you're working, running errands, or hitting the gym, this eyebrow pencil holds up under any circumstance. However, as much as I love the convenience and longevity, I did notice a slight issue when I was building up the color for a more dramatic brow. It's not a big deal, but the pencil can sometimes feel a bit dry after a few strokes. A tiny bit of extra pressure is needed to get the deeper color payoff, especially for those who prefer bold brows. In terms of all value for money, this pencil is pretty well priced for the quality it offers. You get a solid, waterproof, and long-wearing pencil with a spoolie brush, which are both functional and high-performing. When you break down the price against how much use you'll get out of it, it's a great deal. Comparing it to other brow pencils, the ColorStay Brow Pencil stands out due to its waterproof formula and durability. Many brow products claim to be long-lasting, but don't quite make it through a full day of wear. This one stays true to its word, keeping your brows in place for up to 24 hours. If you're comparing to similar products, I'd say it holds its ground quite well in terms of performance. As for build quality, the pencil feels sturdy and looks sleek. The mechanism for the automatic twist-up is smooth, so there's no risk of the product breaking off. It's practical and travel-friendly, fitting easily into your bag or makeup pouch. Now, I didn't have to interact with Revlon's customer service directly, but the brand is well known for offering responsive support. So if you ever had an issue, you can expect good service. If you're looking for alternatives, you can find a few options at a lower price point. Some drugstore brow pencils can match the color payoff and blendability, though not all offer the same long-lasting waterproof formula. If you're after similar durability without splurging, brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal also have great waterproof eyebrow products. To wrap it up, I'd say the Revlon ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil is an excellent option if you're looking for durable, waterproof, and easy-to-use brow makeup. Its natural color, precision, and long-lasting wear make it a top contender in the eyebrow pencil category. However, if you need something ultra creamy for quicker color payoff, it may not be the best option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.